Do you ever buy cucumbers but ended up using them the same way every time? Let's change that today. Crisp, refreshing cucumbers pair beautifully with Japanese flavors. Today, I'm sharing 5 of my favorite quick and easy Japanese cucumber side dishes. Cucumber season has just started here in Japan, and I'm so excited to cook with them more. Their crisp, refreshing texture makes them perfect for simple summer side dishes. In Japan, we often enjoy cucumbers raw in salads or with just a few flavorful seasonings. All 5 recipes I'm sharing today take less than 10 minutes to prepare and are also great for making ahead. Let's start with cucumber sticks with miso mayo dip. It's simple, but it's one of my favorite ways to enjoy fresh, crisp cucumbers. First, cut the cucumber into easy-to-eat sticks. Then mix equal parts miso paste and mayonnaise until smooth. Today, I'm using my mother's homemade miso, which has been aged for over a year. Any miso works well. White or light-colored miso makes a milder dip, while red miso gives it a deeper, richer flavor. If the dip feels too thick, add a little water, lemon juice, or rice vinegar. This dip also goes well with carrots, celery, or daikon, but in my family, the cucumber always disappears first. Next, I'm making cucumbers with Shio Kombu. This is an easy 2-ingredient side dish using Shio Kombu, which I introduced in my previous seaweed video. Shio Kombu is thin strips of kombu seasoned with salt and savory flavor, making it an easy way to add umami to simple dishes. Since cucumber has such a mild flavor, the two work perfectly together. Just cut the cucumber into bite-sized pieces, toast with Shio Kombu, and let it sit for about 5 minutes before serving. You can enjoy it right away or leave it in the refrigerator overnight for a deeper flavor. It's crunchy, savory, and perfect with rice or any Japanese-style meal. Next, I'm making Umeboshi cucumber salad. Umeboshi is Japanese pickled plum, and it gives this salad a bright, salty, sour flavor that is perfect for summer. First, remove the pit from the umeboshi and mash the flesh into a paste. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Then mix it with toasted sesame oil, soy sauce, and honey. The toasted sesame oil adds a nice aroma, the soy sauce brings umami, and the honey helps balance the sourness. Place the cucumbers in a plastic bag and gently pound them with a rolling pin until they crack open. Using a bag keeps the cucumber pieces from flying everywhere, so there's less cleanup afterward. It also creates rough edges that help the dressing cling better. Tear or cut them into bite-sized pieces. Then toast them with the umeboshi dressing until evenly coated. My son loves sour flavors, so this dish is always a big hit with him. It's tangy, crunchy, and seriously addictive. This next recipe is a colorful tomato and cucumber salad with ponzu. It's quick to make and a delicious way to enjoy fresh summer vegetables. Let's start with the dressing. Ponzu is a citrus-based soy sauce with a light, tangy flavor that pairs perfectly with cucumber and tomato. Ponzu alone is delicious, but today I'm adding toasted sesame oil and sesame seeds for extra aroma and richness. If you don't have ponzu, you can make a simple substitute with soy sauce, lemon juice, sugar, and a little dust powder. Next, cut the cucumber into bite-sized pieces. I'm using cherry tomatoes today, but a regular ripe tomato works well too. Add everything to the bowl and gently toast with the dressing. Let it sit for about 5 minutes before serving, so the cucumber can soak up some of the flavor. It's light, colorful, and full of fresh flavor. Finally, I'm making a savory cucumber and tuna salad. The tuna adds extra umami and makes it a little more satisfying. Start by adding drained canned tuna to a bowl. Tuna packed in either oil or water works well here. Add dust powder, soy sauce, and rice vinegar. Then mix everything together. Give this simple salad an extra boost of savory flavor. Next, thinly slice the cucumber. This is one of my favorite cooking tools because its 3 blades make thin slicing so quick and easy. Add the cucumber to the bowl and toss until everything is evenly coated. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning however you like. This salad is great as a side dish, in a bento, or even as a filling for sandwiches. Crisp cucumber and savory tuna. Simple, flavorful, and so easy to make. And there you have it, 5 easy Japanese cucumber side dishes. I hope you will try making them at home and find a new favorite. For more simple Japanese recipes, join my weekly newsletter through the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.